Right, I want to just catch on the jacking point enough to give us some clearance. Come on.
I don't think this jack has a slow set.
Oh, that's it, right back.
Yeah.
Right.
It's in the middle.
Right, now we're getting clearance. Let's see what the wheels are like.
Let's get it sorted first and then.
This is where we get the little dramas of the brake pin snapping off. We just want to take the pads out of each side. Right, so this side's just as bad. Rust here. Right, cut the pins off. There we go. Brake pads come out. The juice has come off one side, but the other side freed off with one pad, but I'll see if I can get the other one out. Alright, this is the method. You basically get that on there, hit that side at the same time as using your third hand, holding the camera phone and yeah, getting that off. Anyway, that's how it should work. Taps and away we go. Right, here we are. Even Wonder Woman couldn't do it that well. Oh, got both wheels on there. It's like whoever put it in here, actually, interestingly. Underneath there, you can see those two sort of grey lines. That looks like it is on some kind of corrugated, I don't know, some kind of vinyl sheet. So, we'll have a look at the back brakes. Tuck that in the hole, give it a bit more support. Right, now on the rear end, this tyre has still got air in. The roof blew off the garage. Right under a tree, anyway. And this side, the car is moving, so it's free, but we're gonna see if we can just get some air in this tyre. Although I'm not sure if that's coming off the rim or not, I don't know, it might just be the way it looks. We'll see, and if that doesn't work, we'll try and get the jack in there and change the wheel. But as you can see, it was a bit limited for space either side, so if it'll pump up, it's just a bit easier. I think it's had stuff growing in here. Oh well, we'll see. You can see the cobwebs parting. Looks like we're in luck. Yeah, unfortunately I think it's got a bit of damp inside, so I'm not expecting the floor to look particularly great, but we'll see. Yeah,
Yeah.
on now.
It's on.
Right, ready? Right, go on. Keep pushing over the soft bit. 4 and 6 inch.
Hey, I thought we got a bit of a fight here.
Yeah, the exhaust has come on. That's alright. Hey, lovely.
Bloody hell, fantastic. Oh, that's great. Oh, that's brilliant. Well done, car. White wheels. Oh, that's yours, though, isn't it?
Indoors pressed, yeah.
I'm going to get a bit of wood for the wheel.
Right, is that enough to get the exhaust off?
Oh, no.
See. Right, what we have to do is just try and bend it in the middle, because otherwise, yeah, they don't want to come over the axle.
You know the rubber one up